to Bali Hai Pier. It's going down. Let's go. All right, made it down to the pier. So we're gonna find Junior and see what's popping. Yo, just met up with the owner 3 times. You know what it is. Check the shirt. He's here. And we headed out. We're gonna check out this ship, see what's popping. Got some friends. We're gonna meet them a little later. Let's go. Yo, it's another NBNY adventure. We're headed all the way out to a pirate ship. A company, they went ahead and bought a pirate ship. We're gonna go ahead and check it out, see what's going on, see if it's worth getting on and viewing. Let's check it out.
I take your enemies in front of God, introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire. Fire, 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 fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7, baby, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take your enemies in front of God, introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire. It's a vibe, he'll dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, flowers grow. All day, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody's no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything.
Yo, Bunda. I've been my fuck up in that. Drip. Hey. Drip. I've been my fuck up in that. I'm just no more. Keep up, can't stop. Ooh, singer, yeah, bad man, killer. Some rock, some singer.
Hey,
I'm from Wales.
all right. What's up?
Reese.
All right,
Nice
welcome,
to meet you,
man.
boys. Hey, how Junior? Nice to meet you, man.
What's your name, man?
Nice to meet you, man.
What's your name?
Reese.
Reese.
Yeah, man.
All right, this is my man Reese
You
from UK, baby.
Hey.
Let's go. Yo, we on a pirate ship. What is going on? What's your name? Thailand, where you from? Whoa. Where? Pattaya, you from Pattaya? Local. What about you?
May.
May? Where you from, May?
I'm from here, like, I'm local as well.
Local.
We are local.
Okay, Pattaya?
Yeah, Bangkok.
Okay, all right.
Wait, what about you?
New York.
New York City.
New York, baby, let's go! It's going down. We on the pirate ship. Keep it 100. We got my boys from the UK in the house.
Yes, my bro.
What's your name, man?
What you saying? Mine's over here.
Mine's over
On the
here.
boat.
Where you from, man?
From London.
London.
My guy from New York.
That's what's up, baby.
Come on, G. We out here on the boat. We on the boat.
We on the boat, baby.
Boat to go.
Get out, do you. You only get one of these, man. You only get one. Time equals currency. How do you want to spend your currency? Yeah. NBNY Productions. We coming at you live. Pattaya, Thailand.
Harmony goes global. Yeah.
Let's go!
Let's get it. Wake up and my feet hit the ground. Chasing dreams and I'm never slowing down. Blue like the sky, I won't cry, I won't break. Yellow like the sun, no fear I can fake. I take risks, I move with grace. Lion in my heart, I set the pace. Telling breeze, yeah, that I'm on fire. A go-getter soul, aiming higher. Never sad, never scared, I'm in control.
In control, let's get it!
Feelings like a lion with a heart of gold.
Nothing look like the UK people.
Hey, what? Jump in like UK people, yeah? Jump in like UK people.
Yo, what made you not jump, man? What made you not jump? You, because we
Don't
chillin'.
say that, because I'll jump.
No, don't jump. Hey, UK, baby.
Listen, right? I didn't jump, yeah, because I got 20 man on this boat going, oh, don't jump. If it weren't for you, if you went jump,
I saved your life.
I would have jumped.
I saved your life, baby.
It's that.
No. This is my man,
Hey,
UK, London,
bro.
baby.
Hey, nah, not London, Wales, Wales. Wrexham.
He be fucking with Harry and
Wrexham.
My man said I just finished my stick.
Hey, throw me the ball, bro.
The phone.
Throw it.
Now we good on that. We good on that. Oh! Hey, what's better, Wales or New York?
Wrexham.
What's better, Wales or New York?
Wales.
Who said that? Who?
All day, every day.
Hey, you hear him? Hey, I'm gonna tell my people in New York, we coming to get you. We coming to get you, baby. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Live life, baby. NBNY Global. Let's go. You see them pussy lips, baby. Wait to the side for me, partner. My boy coming up. What's up, brother? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
What's up, baby?
Right.
What's up?
Hey, listen, right, we're in Thailand. We're in the middle of the sea. Apparently, I'm not allowed to swim. Right? Fraud.
It's bullshit.
Listen. No. Listen to all you viewers out there, yeah? I'm not lying. If you get told, yeah? Listen. No. Listen, yeah?
Tell him.
If you get told to go on the boat, right? You get on a boat, you pay whatever amount, and you can swim, and they tell you can't swim. Fraud.
Fraud.
That's all I'm saying.
That's what I'm saying.
Been frauded. This guy, the cameraman's been frauded. But look, we're here. We're in the sunshine, and we're having it.
New York or Wales, baby?
Wales, obviously, bro.
New York, baby.
Wales,
Let's
bro.
go.
Wales,
all right,
bro.
well, let me do this for you. Let me get one New York
You're
on
New York,
three.
yeah,
One
go
New
on,
York
go
on
on.
3. 1, 2, 3. New York,
brother.
baby.
Hey, New York, baby.
Let's go. You see him? You see him? Tell him your name, baby. Tell him your name.
Reese Nelson, bruv.
A few moments later.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Life changes when you learn your lessons. You start learning to live life. Me and my baby. Let's go.
Come to the Yacht Club in Pattaya. It's like now we have the new yacht, right? And we call the private ship in this one. We just come only 5 days right now, and also we have the private yacht and fit yacht in Ocean Marina in Na Jom Tien. If you guys want to come enjoy party private or fishing, you just message in the IG, WhatsApp or TikTok in the Yacht Club Pattaya ค่ะ
We're back downstairs on the main deck. As you can see, lights are booming, people just chilling. We're just enjoying the view here. We had some fruit on this table earlier. Totally different vibe tonight. My man Quincy, you see him. What up, Quincy? At the aft of the ship, port starboard side. Let's go. Hey, they got these traditional bathrooms. They really made this luxury. Hop back on the speedboat. Everybody's here. Everybody's safe. Everybody had a good time. Thank you, Lord Yacht Club, for this opportunity. We had a blast. Hey, check out Lord Yacht Club, Pattaya, Thailand. In the boat right now, headed home. Until next time, let's go!